welcome to our YouTube channel. So today our topic is regarding the hair issues, hair damage. This is the one of the main headache for ladies, children, even nowadays for the gents also. How this hair damage occurring? This is causing due to the friction, thick friction, maybe with the clothes or with any other factors, or with heat, extreme heat, and usage of harsh chemicals, and even the usage of hard water which we are used for the washing of hair. This may all result for the damage of hair. So what's this hair damage? It is just more than the split ends. So what is split ends? It is the splitting of the end of the hair. It may be to splitting into 1 or 2 or 3 or more. Then it may cause to the thinning of hair. Even may results in the hair fall further. How this split ends happening? It happens due to the dryness and brittle of hair. So the main causes for this are split ends are exposure to the extreme weather, even the usage of our new hair care techniques such as blowing of hair, then hair care treatments such as smoothing, straightening, and curling of hair, ironing. This all make our hair dry. This dryness may leads to the split ends. So this dryness of hair may how this dryness, hair dryness happening? So that is also due to this extreme exposure to the extreme weather, or maybe with the sun exposure or with too much of humidity, even, and the usage of harsh chemicals, which is harsh chemicals in the form of shampoos usage. In the shampoos, lots of chemicals will be there which will be available in the other markets, and hair care creams, hair dyes, and some other hair coloring. These all are contains chemicals. So the continuous usage of these chemicals chemicals involving what products will result into the dryness of hair, into the other forms like split ends and hair fall also. So the next issue of the hair damage, that is dandruff. So this dandruff occurring mainly due to the dryness of hair, and usually previously I told, due to the excessive usage of the chemical ingredient products, like especially like shampoos. Daily everyday usage of shampoos may result in the dryness of hair. It may result in the hair fall and even dandruff and to the split ends. So even some skin conditions like seborrheic dermatitis, eczema, in all these conditions also we are seeing such a dry type of dandruff. And the other form of dandruff, it is the yeast-like fungus formation. That may be especially maybe due to the improper cleaning of head or excessive oil usage or oil accumulation may result in this such a type of fungal dandruff. And how to prevent all these such issues, especially these dryness issues? We all use after bathing with shampoos or whatever it may be, we will after bath we will use some oil to make it silky, shiny, smoothing, and to make it moisturizing. What we all will use, especially the coconut oil, sometimes olive oil, sometimes almond oil. But all these oils have some disadvantage because it is not so good smell. So all will not like all these smell. So especially the teenagers, what they will use? They use the hair creams or hair gel. They will apply lots of gel, or make it gel apply over the hair and make it in different models of hairstyles. With the gels they will make it. So these types of gels, even the gels is also a chemical content. More of chemicals are there in this gel also. So daily usage of these chemicals may result into again the dryness or even to the formation of dandruff, thinning of hair. Even the main thing what we are seeing is the graying of hair in the early age itself. That is premature graying, we can tell it as. So this type of things you have to avoid, you should avoid. Then only you can maintain a good maintain a healthy hair. But you can use the olive oil, coconut oil, almond oil. These all are very good natural products, you can use it. But I told there is a smell issues for this. So in such conditions we will more opt for this types of hair cream. So for all these conditions we have to protect our hair. Due to the excessive pollution also will these types of hair damage may occur. So this is very important that we have to protect our hair from all of these chemical constituents or from these types of pollutions or harsh chemical usage. So in these situations, our Ayurvedishala has launched a new product for the protection of hair, especially for the dryness and frizzy hair. So that is none other than our Vibha hair cream. This is the cream. This is the package, Vibha hair cream. This is just 150 rupees for this bottle. I will show you the bottle. So this is a bottle, 150 rupees. So the ingredient for this is, first of all, it is neeli. That is, you all know neeli. What is neeli? Indigo leaves. It is a natural dye. It gives you black to your hair. So this is such a good Ayurvedic herbal neeli. And so many are using maybe as a natural dye for the dye and all. They are using this neeli leaves also. And the next thing is Bringaraj. As that is also, everyone knows Bringaraj. It is good for the hair growth, for thinning of hair and all. It is a very good thing, Bringaraj. That is Eclipta alba. The next come is Amalaki. That is Emplicea officinalis, just other than our gooseberry. So that is also a very good thing for the dandruff issues. So this all makes a good hair protection. These three ingredients are very good. It is nourishing, it is making your hair to black, and Amalaki, which is of vitamin C, that is also nourishes your hair, improves the luster of your hair, shiny, silky. And the other one more important ingredient is the coconut oil. So as that is also, it's having antimicrobial property, antifungal property, and it gives some shining appearance also, the oil, coconut oil base, and some cream base and some antioxidants also there, and some small level of preservatives. That is very mild preservatives. It's not like any other hair creams. This very safe to use. Even I am using this product. It's a very good, and it is a good smell. I will show you the texture also. So this is the opened one. So I will show you. Yes, this is the cream thing. You can just apply it. So this is not too much sticky like oil or any other things, and it is a very good smell. So you can apply for both hair and scalp. This after bath you can use it. So it will make your hair some smoothness or moistens your hair. It will give you some silky shining appearance. So this is overall a very good product. Everyone can use it, and please tell, especially for the boys, they need some gels and creams to make it styling. So for them, they can use it without any negative thinking. So this is such a, see, everything it has smiled. So you can see some shining also. Is it such a good smell? And you can apply for the hair, or before going to bed just apply over the fingers, and you can apply over the scalp and go for bed. That is also very good thing. It's not harm. As I told, these are all the ingredients. It give you a good luster only. So everyone please try it. Those who having especially dry, frizzy, split ends issues, try it. Even I got results for the split ends, very good results for the split ends. So even everyone try it, and comment your results, or tell your results in your WhatsApp or in the YouTube comments. You can do it. So hope you like our new topic. We'll see you again in our next video. If you like it, please like it, share, and those who have not subscribed, please subscribe our channel. Once you're subscribing, please click the bell button and tick all options. Then only you will get all notifications whenever we upload it. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you everyone. Thank you.